Hey, it's LaToya Watts, also known as LT, and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to get started with direct mail. Okay, if you're watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you're notified when I upload new content. My channel mainly focuses on marketing tips, trainings, and different strategies to help you become successful in your business, as well as make money from home. Okay, so let's get into it, right? So, what is direct mail? Okay, direct mail is unsolicited advertising sent to prospective customers through the mail. Okay, um, so I have some steps here for what you need to do about how to get started with direct mail. Okay, so right here when it says unsolicited advertising, some mailing some mailing programs, which is direct mail, work from home programs, they actually offer um, leads. Okay, those are potential customers looking for work from home opportunities, so that you don't randomly just um, mail out either flyers, postcards, and different things in the mail just sporadically in hopes to make money. There are direct mail companies that have buyers lists, okay, and some may include those names and addresses so that you can mail off your letters in the mail, or some of the companies have owners that do those mailings for you. Okay, so just to keep that in mind. So, how to get started with direct mail? Step one, you want to do your research, okay? There are a ton of work from home opportunities out here, and you want to do your due diligence in either Google, either YouTube, these different direct mail programs, companies. See how long they've been around in existence, okay? And see if it's a legit um, thing that you want to get started, okay? So definitely make sure the company has a owner. You know, if they offer anything about the owner of the company, that's always good. The number of years they've been in existence, because it shows if they are a reputable company, okay? And you want to make sure that they are paying out their payments as they say. Okay, so step two, you want to choose a company. Like I said, there are a ton of direct mail companies out here, and direct mail is initially an offline thing where you can um, mail postcards, mail letters, mail um, flyers, and what have you, and you want to work from home, okay? Either you're receiving cash in the mail, um, also known as mailbox money, or you're receiving money orders. However your payments are sent out, um, you're receiving those commissions um, on a weekly basis, or however the company pays out the compensations, okay? So step three, you want to make an investment, okay? Those investments can either be a one-time only fee to get started with the company, or um, they have different levels where you can join the direct mail program, and it usually includes a product, okay? The product usually comes with um, reseller rights. That way you can share the direct mail program with others and receive a commission for doing so. Basically like a referral program. Okay, so that's whatever company you decide is going to have a registration fee. So make sure it's either something low cost or affordable, or um, see if it's something high ticket. It will be your preference, what your budget can afford. Okay, so make sure you pay attention to that. So step number 4, you want to go through the company's training as well as the team training and implement. That's very important. Okay. Um, Usually, some um, direct mail companies, direct mail programs, they are initially offline, yes, but they also um, have trainings, additional trainings, either in a Facebook group. Okay. Um, And that Facebook group is a community of people who come together, they support each other, and they have additional resources as far as they have additional resources such as additional marketing training, traffic strategies, and support. Okay. All of that's included. Okay. They usually have a community where that's included online. Okay. So that actually helps you increase your earning potential with direct mailing, instead of just mailing offline. When you go online and take your advertising online, it helps you to get more sales and traffic to your business. Okay, step number 5, you want to advertise. When you choose a direct mail program and you decide what company you want to join and partner with, that particular sponsor, you want to advertise your business. Okay, so promote, promote, promote. All right. And the only way you're going to really get sales and signups or get your commissions is if you promote. Okay, if you have a program that offers digital education, share that your direct mail company offers digital education, because a lot of people, they want to learn marketing, they have no idea how to do it, and that program may be the program that teaches them, even newbies, how to do that. So when I say um, maximize your earning potential. Okay, once you decide what company you want to partner with, the sponsor, you make your investment, and you start actually advertising. You want to either teach your audience, okay, by video marketing, by either YouTube or Facebook live videos. Okay, it's going to get eyes on your offer. It's going to inform your audience on what it is you have to offer, and if you decide to show income proofs, it's up to you. It's optional, or you can completely work from home and receive your commissions and enjoy your life. Okay, so those are some things that I wanted to share with you about how to get started with direct mail. So I'm in a direct mail program, in particular, Club Cash Fund. Okay, Club Cash Fund. What I like best about this direct mail program is that the owner does the mailings for you. Okay, so unlike other direct mail programs, um, 30-day success formula and six-figure stamp club, you have to um, either buy your mailings, and you either have to buy your postage. Okay, um, six-figure stamp club actually includes the postage stamps and leads with that particular direct mail program. But of course, you have to promote, get and when those customers sign up, then you receive your commissions for it. 30-day success formula, they have different levels where you can this when you can join it. Okay, now in each level includes a certain amount of digital education products where you can go online, um, print off your direct mail material, read through it, implement it, so forth. Um, it's all about where you want to start, how much you want to invest in yourself and your business and grow it. Okay. But for me, Club Cash Fund is very duplicatable, it's very simple, and it has been the easiest to make money from home out of all of the direct mail programs that I have partnered with. Okay. They pay out weekly. The owner of the company, John Salvi, he does all of your mailings for you. So you never have to worry about going to buy postage stamps, putting out your flyers or postcards, and actually wasting gas to go to the mailbox to go do your mailings. Okay, the owner is going to do that on infinity for you should you join with this program. And with Club Cash Fund, what I also like is affordable. It comes with digital training, and you have access to real digital products. Okay, you have access to your back office where you have your own personal website. Um, You'll be able to review your digital education modules, okay? And once you go through those trainings, you can implement those trainings to start seeing results in your business right away, okay? The owner of the company keeps you informed of everything. When a customer requests a starter kit from you, you're able to see that in your back office. When he mails out a starter kit for you, um, and he's going to email you and let you know that. So he keeps you in the now about everything that's going on with this company, so you're never lost in your business. Okay, there's a one-time only registration fee of $100. Okay, that $100 it's going to be your registration fee, which will give you reseller rights to tell others about Club Cash Fund and how they can make mailbox money, okay, straight to their mailbox weekly, okay. Um, Also, your website is instantly put on a company rotator. That way, it allows you to get hits to your website so that you can start seeing results a lot faster. If you join with my team, we also usually um, do co-op rotators where everyone goes in to get more traffic to their websites, okay? So when you partner with me and join my team, we have a Club Cash Fund private Facebook group, okay? It's Club Cash Fund Superstars, okay? We also have a messenger chat where it's live and active 24/7. Should you need any additional tips, training, and strategies between the two, okay? So, um, be sure to request your free starter kit. Okay, click on the link down below in this video if you're interested in getting started with Club Cash Fund. It's not going to cost you any shipping or handling to receive your free starter kit. Okay, that way you're able to read through the 6-page letter that the owner sends out to you. You're going to know how to get started, um, all of the what Club Cash Fund has to offer. There is a Q&A included. There's also a live 24/7 overview that you can dial in and listen to about the company. Um, and you can also email or call the owner of the company if you have any additional questions. So with all of that being said, I hope you now have a better understanding about direct mail and or how to get started with direct mail. Okay, so if you're looking for an opportunity to work from home, something that's simple that anyone can do, okay, just make an investment in yourself, a one-time only $100 investment, and get started with Club Cash Fund. Okay, it pays out weekly. Again, you don't have to do your mailings, the owner does them for you. Okay, so you're simply getting people to request a starter kit, a free starter kit from you. How simple is that? Okay, I love it. All right, so thanks for tuning in to my channel. As always, I appreciate all of my subscribers. Thanks for watching my channel. Go ahead and hit that bell notification, and I will see you on the next video.